Continue? Something new again?
Yes.
Okay. It displays the numbers till 9. 5 is gone. Silly me.
What just happened?
So, when we reach number 5 in the loop, Mr. Python jumps to the next line which says continue.
Now here's where it just gets a bit fuzzy.
Yup, when Mr. Python reaches continue, he does not go any further in the program.
What? Like it stops? It does the exact opposite of what its name suggests.
Ah, a bad listener. It doesn't stop. Instead, it just jumps back to the for loop without going to the next line.
Oh.
But only when the number is 5.
Yes, and that's why Mr. Python did not display the number 5.
Okay.